Hey YouTube, I got a great song to teach you. It's also a great song for beginners, so it's double bonus. Alright, it's by Katy J. Pearson. She's got a new album. I think it's her first album. She's a new artist. The song has 3 chords. D. Here to this is kind of like beginner oriented. On the G string, you've got your first finger at the 2nd fret, and you got your middle finger on the high E at the 2nd fret. And you've got your ring finger on the B string, your 2nd string at the 3rd fret. And what I'm doing is a kind of like syncopated strumming, and that's why I'm kind of just playing the top strings. Makes that easier to do on the open chord. Because what you're doing is you're muting the strings between, so you're pushing down and then you're muting. But if you can't do that, don't worry. I'll show you a way to play it without doing that. 2nd chord is A minor 7. Sounds more complicated than it is. If you were going to play a C chord, if you know how to play a C chord, you just take your ring finger away and it turns it into an A minor 7. Your first finger is on the B string, your 2nd string on the 1st fret, and your middle finger is on the D string, your 4th string on the 2nd fret. A minor 7. And compared to A minor, it just makes it a little more kind of lighter in feel, less ominous. Okay, the last chord we have in this song is the E minor 7. We just play that with one finger. Our middle finger is on the A string, your 5th string, on the 2nd fret. Now this shares a lot of notes with G, but it's definitely an E minor 7. Alright, let's talk about the rhythm. You could get away with this, all downstrokes. Let me grab a pick. You could get away with playing this all downstroke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But what they're doing on the recording is what's called syncopation. So your strum hand is going all the time. I'm just playing with my thumb. If you use a pick, you gotta use like a light gauge pick if you're gonna do this. What I'm kind of doing is like kind of loosening up on the D when I'm not playing. I push down and I kind of like just lightly pull up. I'm kind of just playing the top strings, so I'm not getting like these ringing strings. I don't want that. Alright, and then when you're not pushing down, you're getting that scratching. And that's the same with the. I'm also using my other fingers and my palm, my strumming hand to mute. I may be like pushing down. It's just something you develop a ability to do almost unconsciously as a guitarist. But it's hard at first. But you're just using any finger, any available way to stop the ringing of the strings that you don't want ringing. And one of the main things is just playing like the top strings, not playing all 6. Now it stays for about 4 bars on the D. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1. Okay, so it's mostly on the D. And the verse sounds something like this. It's kind of got a very playful, sing-songy rhyme feel to it. Very lighthearted. She stood still, watching him through the spotlight. The song that was playing was alright. She said, "Do you want to dance with me tonight?" Alright, that's the verse. And then the chorus is this little one. Changes the melody, but we're still playing. Chugging along on this. Sometimes we get away with it. Sometimes we get burnt. Sometimes we can learn from it. Sometimes we just get burned. It's the same for everyone. I'm not the only one. Sometimes we get away with it. Okay, so yeah, play around with that. I'll put a link in the video in my description so you can listen to the song if you haven't heard it. But I think it's quite catchy. It's a very, very much Americana, but it's also danceable. So that's not easy to do, both things like that. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.